Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is practically nearing the end of fall and everybody and their mother is doing Christmas manicures. I've done one, so I'm guilty, and I'm not like throwing shade at anybody because I've already been down that road. But I think it's time, it's not even Thanksgiving yet, to still talk about fall because it's still fall until the end of next month. So let's talk about my fall favorites. So every quarter I do a favorites video, and I usually launch it the day before the next season starts. But I think doing a fall favorites video literally like right before Christmas is kind of, it's not going to cut it. So today I'm actually going to do a video talking about all of my fall favorites, all the colors that I've either loved, I've purchased, I've worn. So I'm going to talk about all of those things, the things I love. It's not even just colors. There's stamping plates, decals, you name it, cuticle oil. Love pumpkin spice cuticle oil. So all of that's going to be talked about today, and I hope that you guys love this video. So I'm going to flip it down under so you guys can see all of the goodies I'm going to show you, and I'll be back. I cannot stop raving about the ErgoFile from Bonafide Beauty. It has two edges to it, and it hooks perfectly around the cuticles to help file the dip after I activate. The edge is right here and on the other side, and all you have to do is hold it and then hook it around your cuticles and just file the dip. So I'm just like showing you a demonstration. Right now it's currently sold out on Amazon at the time of recording, but just click on the link I have below, add it to your wish list, and wait for it to come back in stock. I love this collection from Revel Nails so much. I'm not even mad that it was still available for Black Friday and I didn't get it at 30% off. This collection is so beautiful. It's their modern Muse collection, and it came with a dip and matching mate. So each dip powder has a matching polish, as you can tell how I swatched it here. There's 6 gorgeous, stunning colors, which I haven't even used yet. Shh. Fall scents and cuticle oil equal a match made in heaven. Candi Skincare is my favorite cuticle oil brand. I love every product of hers, and it has done wonders for my cuticles. And this pumpkin spice and pumpkin pecan waffle scents are amazing. Have to throw in some nail art in there. If you don't know about Poshy Nail Designs, you need to go check out her website. She sells amazing water slide decals. The artwork that she uses is beautiful, unique, different. I don't see a lot of brands do this type of artwork on their water slides, so she really stands out with her artwork, and I love it. If you have been following me for some time, you know that I'm really into Nail Addict LA. I've been really loving their gels. I do not react to them. I do not have an allergy to them. I love their gel base and top coat. It is so good to my skin, and these colors are absolutely beautiful and perfect for fall. And I actually used a nude to do a Halloween manicure recently, so isn't it cute? All Powdered Up really nailed it in the fall department, but Autumn Sky is my favorite of all of the fall colors that she came out with this year. So much that I actually did a whole dedicated video on her entire fall release, so go check that out if you want to. But Autumn Sky really just hit the nail on the head on what I wanted for fall. And I even did a mani with this because I think it's absolutely beautiful. But my lighting sucks right here, so you can't even see the swatch that well. So I'm actually going to insert a mani and the website swatch photo so you guys can see just how gorgeous this is and why I'm even raving about it. Soul Dip is a brand new dip powder company. She's actually a DIYer, and then she started her own company, and she really just hit the ground running on gorgeous colors. And just look at her packaging, these gold lids, her logo. And let me show you this color I got in the other day. It is so gorgeous. It's green with foils. This is just 3 of the colors I'm showing you guys, but I have a whole swatch ring, and I have more colors on the way. I'm so excited. There's so many great colors here for fall, but I actually not even on this swatch ring she has more Christmas colors coming out. I'm like, they're so freaking pretty. So pretty that I bought probably 60 to 70% of her website because I think they're just so stunning. Okay, just all I'm going to say is just check out her website, go run, go buy some colors. I know she's having a Black Friday sale, so go, go, go. All right, you will not regret this purchase. Bad Kitty Dips is another brand. I've done 2 videos on her stuff, but I like stumbled upon her in early October when I was visiting Miranda, and I just love her colors. Her glitters are so unique. The lighting here really isn't doing these colors justice. Trust me, they're like a million times more gorgeous in person, and I've already done 2 manicures with some of these colors, but just look at that range and that variety. And she is also having a Black Friday sale. Look at the other side. This is my matte side of my swatches. Oh, just love it. All right. Kimberz Kreations hit the nail on the head with every single color she came out with for this fall. I have so many that I love, especially this collection, which is her fall floral collection. Every person who uses this trio has done an amazing manicure. I've never seen it look even like half bad on anyone. It's gorgeous. But let me show you a couple other colors that she has released. There's quite a few trios. So she's really just been really into the reds. So I'm just showing you now all of the reds that she has. So from the left, there's a trio and then 2 duos on the right. And I just really love the whole variety, the range, the different types of glitters, the darker ones, the lighter ones, the fiery ones. I really think she did a great job here. I'm not done raving about Kimber. So this color is called Coin Shortage, and it is absolutely stunning. It's like probably one of my most favorite golds I've ever seen. I'm going to insert a swatch photo here because this really, the lighting is just not doing it justice, but I am in love with this gold. So Triple D has been releasing Diva boxes, and this came in her first ever Diva box. It's called Hide and Seek, and it is a nearly black to colorless thermal changer. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like when it changes colors. It's just so freaking cool. I really hate when my lighting doesn't do colors justice. For example, this Dipped in Sparkles fall collection, she came out with a variety of colors for fall. I already wore this black one here, but I haven't used any of the other ones. But I love them all so freaking much. So let me show you guys her website photos because my lighting is just really just not doing it justice. I probably spent all summer raving about this collection from Luminous Dips, but then I saw her fall colors. These are so gorgeous. I think the 3 on the right all have foil pieces in them. They look so much better in person, trust me, and I'll show you her photos that she uses. They're just so stunning. And the matte ones, ooh, I need to wear this matte. They're so freaking beautiful. I actually think I'll use that blue really soon. I might regret putting Evolution dips in here later because her stuff is so limited. They're short batch releases every single Friday, but her stuff is so gorgeous. I started purchasing late summer into fall, and I've just not regretted any of my purchases. They're really, really, really pretty and unique and different, and I really love seeing all of the new different colors that she releases every single week. And last on my list are these stamping plates from Maniology. They came out with quite a few collections. These 2 are Harry Potter themed, and this one is Nightmare Before Christmas themed. I really love it. And MoYou London came out with like a Day of the Dead sugar skull theme plate that I think is so beautiful. Alright you guys, I hope you guys really enjoyed that video. I want to know, what have you purchased, even if it's in this video or it's not, let me know below. What have you purchased that was like your absolute fall favorite, like your holy grail to take into you this fall season of 2020? So let me know in the comments below, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked this video, and subscribe because I have more videos coming, especially some holiday stuff.